In this section, I'm going to show you how you could add some labels to, the attributes that you've just added based on the category that you've assigned to that attribute configuration list. So if you wanted to, add some labels like we've got product attributes, product features, SEO, you can do that too. So we go back to our design the page. We click on our attribute section tab. We can see we've already got some elements like this dynamic attribute field here. We've also got, you can see in this area, some scripting components. So what we can do is choose this scripting component, just add it above the label or above the list. So we're going to give it a list, some form of thing. Let's just go up. All we'll do is we'll just basically copy this. So what we've got, as we can see, is basically some HTML. So let's just copy the source code. We'll cancel that out. Move down to our scripting component. Copy our. We can change obviously the titles, but we'll leave them for this. Save it. We'll do the same for this section. Save it. Again, we could have copied the titles, but let's not bother. And we'll save that too. If I wanted to show, so here we now see we've got our labels. The other thing is if I actually go back into the section, what I've actually got is I've got some headers. So just changing the properties of this. So here's my fluids one that I'm actually on. I've got 3 columns. I've styled it as no title, no border, so it won't show. And it's not collapsible, so there won't be some little arrow showing it. It will just show the fields and now obviously the scripting components that I've added. So if I go back, you can see that we've got our section quite nicely done.